Alright, so there's a shiny new Motomaster battery. Going right there.
I guess that one's going to pull off anyways. Easy. Okay, I think that's a 12. Well, we know it's a 12 or a 14 from history. I'm going to... I have a 50% chance of getting this right. So. And it's rusty, guys. They're rusty down there. And I need a longer extension arm. I'll be right back. This is a little bit ridiculous, but if yes, size does matter. But you can double up 3/4 inch extensions if you want to get the distance you need. I just happen to have this one sitting in the back of the car, so this is the one I'm using because it's easy. We'll be returning the old battery I took out of this Hyundai, wherever I put that, for a $20 core at Canadian Tire. They pay us $20 in Canada here. They charge us $20 core on it. I have to bring it back to get my $20 back, which again for the American viewers is about $1.50 US to about $20 Canadian. Things on the side and stuff.
Oh,
yeah. It's got some little venti things. I guess we'll put them in. That just helps you. All this does is route acid vapors and stuff. And this is good. You shoot it down onto the tray to rot it out properly. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll put it in. It looks like fun. I don't know. Maybe it might get in the way. If it gets in the way, I'll take it out. I don't know. What does it say? I should probably read the instructions. Contains a 90-degree elbow and 1 vent plug. Required for outside battery venting. Well, I wasn't going to use it inside the house. So, batteries must vent. Do not prevent things from venting. Okay, well, it doesn't matter. We're good here. It is outside, so we're not attaching any solar panels anytime soon, so. To the house. Is that gonna fit? Oh, yeah, that's nice there. Actually, that fits nice in the tray. Good. Oh, there we go. Already, it's like it wants to be in there. I love it when something really simple gives you a hard time. Just, come on. Like that one, the other one fell off. So we'll give you guys all the itemized costs, all these little bits. At the end, we'll talk to you guys about what was spent here, and all within the budget I discussed at the beginning. Might have spent a couple more dollars. Again, I'm building this car because I could build it for myself, but I'm building it to put it on the market so that I can get some more stuff for you guys to see in terms of building cheap cars. So. If I sell a car, I don't want to put a crappy battery in it. I might risk that battery for myself, actually. But to sell a car, we'll put a battery in it. Make people happy. But still within the scope of $2,500. So that's the good news. I won't go crazy on this because it's already rusty. So. If you're wondering what that little red wire is for, it goes to the rust package on this. Look at that.
I'm kidding.
I don't think it's going to fit. Now, this cover thingy is already broken and doesn't work. So,
yeah.
I think I'll get enough clearance if I lose it. But that's disappointing.
Yep.
Spend all that money on a battery to fit the car, and it doesn't. Yeah, look at that. It just pops apart. Yeah, like that. Covers that do nothing, so.
Yep.
Look at that. It fits on there perfectly without the cover.
Boom.
Again, guys, don't go crazy on these bolts. Don't go like crazy. Don't like, don't give it those, because if you do that, it's going to, you're gonna tension this, and it's never gonna tighten on the battery properly, which is probably what happened on the negative side. I'm hoping with my new battery terminal, cheapie post from China, that this is going to actually tighten up in the end. It may not. It worked really well on the positive, but the positive is actually a slightly larger terminal than a negative, so it could be that they just put black rubber on the positive and send you two and say, oh, there you go, it should be all set, except you're not, because it's not going to tighten. So let's see here what we get. Is that actually going to tighten up? Oh, it looks like it might.
Yeah, not bad.
Nice and straight. Probably buy more of these if this works out, because they weren't expensive. I hate going to the parts store and spending $1 bazillion on this type of thing when I can get them out of China and wait for them for 30 days. Like, I can buy 2 battery terminal posts out of China, shipped, will cost me $5. If I buy these at the store, we're looking $20 here, you know? That's Canadian, which is by the $1.50 US. By today's currency rate exchange, might be $1.65.
Yeah.
All right, so depends if it's the conservatives or the liberals or not. We're not a political channel. I won't go too much into that. Doesn't matter. They all steal, politicians. That's what they're there for.
Yep.
Okay, I don't want to go too tight because I just said, there we go, tight. See, am I moving that? Yeah, I'm moving it a little bit. I don't want to go too tight, because then you can actually snap these, tightening them.
Oh yeah.
Yep, that's good. We're not going anywhere. Battery's bolted down, and we got a nice little cover on it. So again, I probably would have replaced both of these. Well, this might have been not as good with this, but I would still replace both of these with those. And $5 out of China, I would definitely do it.
Yeah, it seems you're doing the trick.
Shoot it with some oil and, well, it definitely worked on the Hyundai. Like, I mean, you look in there, I like to have things look relatively factory. That doesn't look original, but it looks like it should be there. It doesn't have a big, you know, somebody can cut the end of the cable off and put a big end with the big 13 mil bolt on there, like on a pickup truck, you know. Like, it looks like it should live there. Nobody would look at that and say that was a bad repair. So we got a shiny new battery. We've got working AC. We're getting to the end of the list now. We've changed the thing for the fan. So now it's just detailing. It's cleaning and detailing. Maybe 2 tires, we'll see. But we're going to run it down to the shop. We're going to get it safetied, and we'll see what they say. Safetying with those tires before, so we're going to see what happens. See what the experts tell us. I shouldn't leave my jack there, because things disappear around here. All right, perfect. That's it. That's another. It's a wrap, really. But that was good. Should probably see if it starts.
Ah, yes.
And just after replacing the battery, yeah, it started.